So today I have these food labels. We've used this a lot in our house. We use it for to label anything. Like we make our dog's own food. So we labeled a little baggie since we have two foods, or two not two foods, two dogs. My bad. And this is how they look. It's a pretty big roll. I feel like we've gone through a lot. We have two of these, so like we use it for everything, like to if for organization, if you want to label maybe your pasta and you put your stuff in different containers, and maybe you don't have a printer, like those printers where you could put the wording and you just want to use a Sharpie and quickly write things down, label things, just to keep things organized, because my family is very much like that. They like to keep things organized and labeled and all that, especially like for lentils, like that we have in the kitchen, like lentils, beans, things like that. We take it out of the package and put it in glass containers or plastic containers, and we put this. And also if we move chicken from a different container and we freeze it, like we put freeze by or put or use by in this date, or I'm just giving you examples that you could use this. But overall, it's nice. Also, this is best to use in the kitchen, but you can use it for anything really, because it doesn't smear or anything. Like we've dropped some oil on this. It doesn't blot it or the paper at all. It has like a wax film or like a film protective on it, so it doesn't mess with the sticker itself, or like or you know what I mean. Like it has stuff like that. And it's just easy to rip. And if you're annoyed of this, just being like that, just use one of these tapes and just tape it, and you're good. But overall, it's a very convenient product for people who love to organize or have things labeled, have their things labeled. This is good. Like we use it for travel. Recently I went on a trip and we all have our own little travel bottles. We don't buy we have like the reusable ones, and we put our own shampoo, conditioner, hair wash, and all that, etc. And we didn't want to get them confused, so we used these. Like we took I labeled one for my brother, and that's his conditioner. And so we, like, when we go on a trip, we don't mix anyone's stuff up. I also use this to label my skincare, because I moved some of my skincare bottles in smaller bottles, so I knew what was which. And so it's just like small things that would be convenient to have around, because I feel like this is something you need in your house, to always label something. Like you just don't know what it will be. It can also be for, I don't know, like baking soda, baking, like just ingredients, even like pancake mix, because I hate leaving it in the box and it has the hole in it. You have to put it in a different container, so then when you did that, so when it's best to use it. And like I said, we have dogs, and we mostly use this for our dogs to label their little baggies, because we make food from scratch for them. And we have two different dogs, and they have different serving sizes. So it's best, I use one as Cookie and Luna, and then I put it on their little baggie and put it in the freezer. And it's very convenient, especially like we don't want to accidentally give Luna, which is our German Shepherd, the serving of Cookie, because Cookie eats way less than Luna, and she'll be super hungry. But overall, it's just a lot of ways you can use this, and I completely do recommend this product. And I feel like it's a staple thing you need to have in your own household. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream, and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm gonna be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's gonna be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know, so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.